So, Sunday involved shopping. I'm going for second attempt on video because there was flapping and dogs going everywhere in the first one. So, obviously, Madame. So we decided that one thing that Madame has never done, well, one thing that we haven't made Madame do yet, is drive Thunder. We have been going on about it for ages. So instead of going shopping in the sensible, modern, shiny Mercedes, we're going shopping in my 1994 diesel Hilux. Well, not in there. Now, there are a few pieces of advice.
Yes.
It ain't the fastest thing in the world. Yep.
Right. Okay. Live with that.
It's got very big tyres. So I don't find it a problem, but Steve said it's a bit like wrestling a... I don't know, he used the word tank slapper the other day, which I thought was a bit rude.
Well, hang on, how does that affect the driving?
Well, no, it doesn't, as far as I'm concerned. He said apparently it gets a bit wobbly, but I think that's just Steve. Fudge. So basically, I mean, if you hop in, let me in, then we'll give you a Thunder driving lesson. Right, so one thing you have got to watch is, because of the funny handbrake, make sure you don't get that caught up in that. So if you turn the key, so the pigtail twirly light comes on, that's it. Make sure she's out of gear. Wait till the pigtail twirly light goes out. Hit it.
I don't need to do it. I just
no. Right, we're alive.
I haven't driven a manual for a very long time.
No, you haven't driven a manual for about 2 years.
No. What the hell's that?
That is the handbrake.
So how do I get the
Right,
handbrake?
so pull on it. Other way up. Put your hand the other way up. Pull on it.
Yeah.
Now twist it clockwise. That's it, and now push it back in, right down. Yep, now it's the handbrake off. So gear-wise, got that? Got the gear pattern?
Well, oh yeah, okay, so reverse is right down there.
Yep. So basically, we'll ignore the little gear lever because you don't need that.
Right, so that's the... I can't remember if I use a clutch. Do I
Right.
use my left leg for the clutch?
Yes, darling.
Wait, oh, it's not only is it bloody... Is that in gear?
Well, there's one way to find out.
Well, yeah, we don't want me to hit the...
Well, the gate will come off worse than the truck will. I think that feels like it's going backwards to me. Can you see in the wing mirrors?
God. That's some serious vibrations.
That's right, that's just the exhaust rattles on a mount when you're... Oh, where are you going? Oh, what are you about? I would have said you'll end up in that piece of wire that's over there otherwise, but that's fine. Seeing as that telegraph pole restraining wire has caused quite a lot of vehicular damage, hence why you don't have a manual.
I didn't hit it.
I know you didn't, your father backed it up there. I wasn't suggesting it was you. No, I can see it from here, it's fine. But, right, we are doing well.
So, first time I've driven a manual in a long time.
Yes, first time you've driven a manual in a long time. And it's massive, and it's left-hand drive.
And it's left-hand drive. I haven't driven a left-hand
No,
drive
we were
in
not.
even longer.
Right. Windscreen wipers is on the that doof. Right, we're going.
Are we in?
We've got, yep, we are. We've got daylight, so you don't have to automatic daylighting, so don't worry about turning the lights on. All right, you've got this. But getting out of the drive can be a tad tricky.
Well, you're going to have to help me down.
Yes, because you can't see bugger all. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. And yes, clear road, go for it. Car and then wander around in the middle of the road, old people. So you got it. As you say, you sort of have to hang on, but it's not bad.
That's fine, so far.
Yeah, I don't know what Stevie was going on about. I don't find it a problem.
You'll have to just help. I mean, obviously, if I don't think I'm going to hit something, just let me know.
Try not to hit anything.
I don't intend to.
And it does like chucking water on the windscreen when you hit puddles. Yeah.
Is that kilometres?
Yes.
Right.
Yes, that is kilometres per hour. Do have, I think we've got a fourth kit. We're on it. Alright, you've got it, missus. When it comes to stopping, it's got no ABS, no traction control, nothing. stamp on it hard, it will just lock up and slide. So you have to be it's like old cars.
Yeah, but I haven't driven an old
Yeah, there's
car.
someone. I know you haven't driven an old car for ages. So we're doing all right, aren't we? Yeah, you don't really worry about water, but you will find it pulls if you hit big puddles, because obviously the tyres are like 35 inches. So if you hit puddles, she will pull you in. There is no electronic stability programming to make it go straight.
So it's not like the Merc.
No. The Merc will judder the brakes and save you. The Hilux will just disappear in the bushes unless you're holding on to it. Well, it won't kill us because it's a big tough truck, isn't it? But you.
Probably should have had a wee before I come out.
You're doing all right. There ain't much that stops it, to be totally honest. It's quite good at it.
I don't want to hit anything.
No. It has got a cattle grid bolted to the front of it.
Yes, I know. I don't want to use that.
No. It does tend to. It was a bit squishy before, so ever since we got attacked by a Touareg, we've armed ourselves up. It does just slog on as well, so like you leave it in fourth because it doesn't develop much horsepower. It's got a fair amount of torque and it just trundles. So like now, I just put it in fourth and leave it. Look at the way someone has dumped an entire bathtub full of twigs in a lake. Yeah, people are immensely lazy, aren't they? Right, we'll be back in a minute when we get to traffic. Right, we're doing well, haven't we, missus? Yes.
What?
Nothing.
What was that?
It wasn't as fine, it's only because obviously I'm on this side, I was just getting used to it. It's fine, it's absolutely fine. We're doing all right.
Yes.
Are you enjoying the driving experience?
I'd rather be driving the Merc.
Yes, but at least you're trying.
Very hot.
It's very hot. Oh, that's right, I've got the electric seats and everything switched on.
Seats are fine, it's just getting...
I've turned the seats down to
Now I've got to... Where are the indicators?
that side.
Oh my God.
Nothing. It's all right, we're back on the right side of the road.
They're on the right side of the bloody road.
That's one of them horrible green oval devices coming my way. Clear my way, clear, still clear.
Still don't.
Well, you won't stall it. That's it. Well, you also haven't forgotten how to drive a manual. Go, gadget. Right. Doing well. Yeah, just calm down a bit. You've been all tense and it just bumble. It's best to bumble with it.
I am bumbling.
That's it. I mean, it's old tools, no need to rev it too hard. It just wumbles along.
What revving?
No, it's just work, but it doesn't really accelerate at any great pace. It just literally change up, go again, change up. That's it, and then it's quite happy. So it just wumbles along. You have to sort of wrestle it a bit. I mean, to be honest, the steering's a tad.
Switch your bloody wipers off.
Pardon?
Switch your wipers off. I'm
Steering's.
worried about the positioning.
Yeah, we'll stop overcorrecting all the time because it does sort of just go where you want it to go. It's a bit vague, but it is from 1994 and it has got huge suspension and massive tyres and all that.
It's the fact that I'm driving a left-hand drive.
Yes, yeah, that's
what I'm...
Yeah, I tend to just work that by keeping an eye, trying to keep as close to that side because you know where you are.
Yeah, that's what
And then,
I'm a bit
yeah.
worried that I'm not worried.
And to be honest, most people get out of your way because there's a corner of a large cattle grid coming out.
You can't rely on that.
No, you can just mosh them out of the way.
I'd rather not.
It's good. She is basically just like an old, just bumbles along. As I say, it hasn't got bucket loads of horsepower, but it's got loads of torque, and it just trundles around. I mean, I go everywhere at 55 mile an hour. You can't get her to do 70, but she don't like it.
I've no idea how fast I'm going.
think I'll have to leave this with you more often. You can have this as daily transport. No, yeah, okay.
Don't need it.
Don't need it.
No, the map's fine. Imagine if tell them to pick him up.
I have
You should be able to get in.
Yeah, we have to. We carry a little wooden stool so that the old man.
She's taller than me. She'll be fine.
Ah, okay, we'll be right. Yeah, she's got big, tall, long legs, and she.
Yeah.
So where are we going? Lidl's.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, we've almost made Lidl's.
These Winston ones are a bit rubbish.
Yeah, driver's one's a bit shy. I've got some new ones. I just haven't got around putting them on yet.
Solid.
Be fine.
These are good.
Negotiating traffic lights. Buses, be fine. You are on this, isn't it? She's got the hang of it. Totally. You're enjoying yourself.
No.
No.
Let's just have a install it.
You should install it. It's very difficult to install. It's a bit diesel pickup truck.
So, state of that.
Well, it's definitely in need of a wash. It's a very old person. They've had it 20 years, but they haven't shown it in a home pub. Right. We made Lidl's, and now she's got to park it. Oh, blimey, yeah, that's quite busy, isn't it? Where are you going to put this?
Yeah, you're going to have to park it.
Well, you could just hang on, keep, on the end. No,
You're going to have to park it.
Keep going. We'll find somewhere.
Oh, no.
Go on.
You can go there, but I can't go there.
Just go round. Keep going around the car park. There'll be one you can drive into, nose on somewhere. What about down the end, down there? There's some down the end. Go along the front row. Ignore the person in the Mazda driving in the middle of the road. Get out of the way, thank you, old person. Right, go, gadget, go.
It's a youngster.
Is it?
Yes.
Right, down the front there, and then looking next. What about next door to that L200?
There's no space.
No space there.
You're going to have to park it. I'm going to pull up there and you can park it.
Okay, I'll park it. Stop, park. Right, lovely. I'll go and park. So you survived?
Yeah, so did you.
Well, it wasn't. There's nothing wrong with you driving, my darling.
No, I know. Thank you.
Slightly locked in at the deep end.
Yes. I think we did okay.
Yeah, I mean, I drive this thing every day, so I'm quite used to it.
And I'm used to a nice,
Yes,
easy to drive.
There's nothing wrong with this pickup truck.
I didn't say there was. Just
Brilliant.
It's easy to drive.
Yes.
Yeah. So after 4 attempts of telling Al he was going to have to park it, we gave him and parked it.
Yes, I do. Yeah.
Yes, it wasn't going to happen. No, so it definitely wasn't going to happen with me behind the wheel. So yeah, so he's now back in control, which is probably better for all. It's piddling down. I think we're heading...
Never. I mean, it never rains.
No. So we're heading home. So that's another torture I've had to endure for your lot's viewing pleasure.
But to be honest, you did say a while ago that you really must get round to driving this.
What did you do?
Wow, I've got
Do
big
that.
chunky trunk. You might as well drive through those, you know.
Okay. Yeah, so there's payment for you lot watching me suffer. If any of you would be kind enough to have a look at my shop, it's gone very quiet.
www.60dieselsdorset.co.uk.
Yeah, I've got some hoodies, mugs, t-shirts, all sorts.
Must get the new t-shirt sorted this week.
Yes, well I thought you and Derek were in charge
Well,
of that.
Derek said he was doing it, and then
Okay.
he'd done it, and then I haven't really pestered him since,
Okay.
so I'll pester him about that.
Yeah, but in the meantime, please go and have a look. If any of you do choose to buy anything, Shopify doesn't have the sense to be able to, what's the word I'm looking for?
File postage.
Yeah, so you will get charged per item for postage. I will refund what I can. So if you ordered, for example, 4 things, you will get charged for lots of postage, but I will refund as much as possible, because obviously it won't cost me that much to send it. So please don't let that put you off. Any messages, any queries, send me a message and I will get back to you.
That's better than any queries and messages, send me a query.
Yes, I mean, I suppose it's the same thing really, if you think about it. any queries, send me a message, or any messages, send me a query. I suppose it equates to the same. Oh shit.
Well, if you're not going to indicate, I'm
He's
not
right, he's
going to
indicating.
bother.
Right, I'm getting cramp in my hand from holding this phone, so I'm going to have to give up the videoing for a minute.
Should we sign off? So this
Yes.
is Sunday extravaganzas, okay?
Yes,
Exciting driving experiences going
Yes.
to Lidl and back.
yes. I mean, it's never easy, but there we go.
No,
Right.
no, I'll bring something even worse home next week, don't you
Don't
worry.
doubt it. Yeah, okay. Right, okay, I'm signing off for now. Bye.
Bye!